Hello everyone, welcome to the Troublers. Our channel is mostly about AI, dance and music and entertainment, but we are an autism family, so the struggles of families with special needs and disabilities is part of our daily routine. So I wanted to make a video to share how useful AI has been for us, and I hope it helps you to find some simple solution to your daily struggles. I made this video for the beginners, for people who have no experience of generating images with AI. So, how can AI help me with autism and learning disabilities? In autism and learning difficulties, usually they struggle with communication. If they have more complex needs to the point that they struggle with the verbal communication, or they are completely nonverbal and have limited speech. But again, it could be useful for all abilities, and what is often used is visual aids such as PECs, social stories, or animations or videos. Before, we had to source all these and pay for them, and they were not tailored, and your options were limited basically. Unless you had a hell of editing skills, lots of time on your hands, which normally our families do not have, you had to just use what came in a box. AI has given us the freedom not only to tailor, but also save time, and you don't have to wait for it to be delivered. All you need to do is ask AI. The creativity you can have with AI basically is unlimited. You can use the real image of the person or make an animated avatar. You can use a favorite toy. You can show abstract concepts, which are the hardest thing for them to learn. You can use images of your own home or places you've been, trips, holidays, going shopping, or to the dentist. Everything that you can think of, you can make a visual aids for it or animated videos. And it doesn't take much of your time. Is it costly? Well, it depends. There are lots of free AI image and video generators or even editing programs that have free features that you can use, and it will be sufficient. I have used pay subscription on some of them to give me more freedom, but you can still do a lot with free services. So the next question, is it difficult to do? No. If you can, open ChatGPT, type, copy, paste, download, upload, that's all the skills you need. However, if you want to edit videos, you might require some additional knowledge about the platforms you're using. So let's go ahead and have a look at our two examples. In the first example, I'll use ChatGPT to create images for a social story. And in the second example, we're going to use the same images to create a short animated video in CapCut. The first example here is I want to make a social story about an autistic boy having trouble running around in the supermarkets. Just something daily you have to deal with. I'm sure you all come across the same issues from time to time. So we log into our ChatGPT. I just put a simple prompt. I said I want to make a social story for an autistic boy, 10 years old, and shows he should not run around in the supermarket. Please give me the story in 6 images to make a short video. So ChatGPT responds quickly, giving me all the prompts we need for the images. And at this stage, you can add or adjust any of the details you want from the prompts regarding each image. If you want to make it tailored, add something to it or delete something from it. This is the part that you can actually do it before you generate the images with ChatGPT. The prompts you see in ChatGPT for the story, they can be used later on when you're creating the video for the story. But if you just want to generate the image, you can generate the image right in ChatGPT, or you can use those prompts again to use another image generator. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to carry on and ask ChatGPT to create the images. You can always upload your own images or avatars or any other character you want to the ChatGPT and request to replace those characters and use those characters in the social stories. You can always change the text, add text, remove text, or make any changes as you wish, or make additional steps, add more images. So it's very unlimited and it's very flexible. As you can see, ChatGPT hasn't kept the character consistent in one of the images, so you can prompt it again to change that image, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to carry on. As a second example, we're going to use the images that we created in ChatGPT, uploaded to CapCut to make a short video. So you need to go to AI Media and then AI Video, upload your images, and it will create the video for you. Remember, for CapCut, I do have a subscription and it does use credit, so you can purchase the credit as you go along, and there's a monthly subscription for it. There are a lot of free AI video generators online available, and all of them, they have the same concept. You can either use text or images to generate these videos. For audio, you have a few options. You can either find a free copyright music online and import the music and add it to the clip, or you can use a voice generator to create a conversation, or you can generate your own song, again using AI as well. I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed watching it. And if you have any questions and or topics that you would like to see videos on, please leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.